I know, I'm sorry, I keep looking at the viewfinder. I'm sorry, I'm just mesmerized by my beauty. Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. So this week's video is Eid makeup tutorial. I did do a poll on Instagram asking you guys if I should film Eid looks because I wasn't feeling it, to be honest. But you guys asked for it. Like I got like 80 something, probably like a 90%, 80%. I think I'm just gonna do two. Maybe this one, I don't know if time is with me. I might add another one, but this is the first look. It's just a very nice orangey, summery, easy breezy look that I'm absolutely obsessed with. I'm actually so obsessed with this look. It's so different than my usual. It's not, I don't know. So yeah, if you guys would like to see how I can look, then keep on watching. Okay, now that we have my brows done as usual, we're gonna start with that. This look is gonna be very airy, very summery and nice and fresh and glowy. That's the look I'm going for. Soft eyes and then like a bold lip. We're just gonna like conceal my eyes so that it's ready for eyeshadow. I'm just using my Illegal Pro Concealer in medium beige. And then we are going to set that. For the eyeshadow, I'm gonna use my Morphe 35O palette. You guys know this palette is the plot. And I'm just gonna use the shade as like an all over lid shade just to like set my eyelids further and just to make them like even. As you can tell, the shade has like a yellowy undertone that I like. I don't know, it makes the eyeshadow pop more once I use this all over my shade. And now that we have that down, I'm gonna take like a nice blending brush, deepen my crease basically. Now that I've built up the crease color, I'm just gonna drag it down like onto my lid. Okay, so we're gonna dab a little bit of orange and we're gonna start off with like the Chili Mango by Fenty. It has like a nice shine to it. I don't know, it's like very minimal but very stunning. This is like one of my favorite products from all her. So far so good. So we're gonna blend out just like the edges and just blend everything together and just marry them. So far I like the way it's looking. It's very just a little bit of like brown eyeshadow and put that like on my lashes. This is just to like make my lash line fuller. And notice I'm not using like a black eyeshadow, I'm using like a dark brown. It's more softer, if that makes sense. Okay, I think we're gonna just stop there for like the eyes. For now we're gonna move on to face. Okay, so I've just used like the Fenty primer. I'm gonna layer this with the MAC Strobe cream. Go over this with like the center of my face. This gives you like a nice glow on your face. Foundation. Today we're gonna use Fenty full coverage, but not full coverage, sorry, matte, like semi-matte and very lightweight. That's what I like about it. I like doing this, especially like with this foundation, like out of my face as I go, only because it dries down so quick. So I'm trying to work with it as fast as I can. Foundation is done. We're just gonna pop on some concealer. My usual, I'm always talking about this concealer. It's the Colorpop Concealor. Or you could wait a little bit till it gets like a bit tacky so as to get like the full coverage if that's what you're looking for. But although this concealer is quite full coverage anyway. I love this concealer because I don't know, it acts like a color corrective for me as well. So just to like add a little bit more highlighting, we're gonna go over with the, this is just to like highlight my face. Now we're gonna set this concealer. Now notice I'm not like baking, I'm just using enough for it to just like, that's basically it. And then I just brush off like the excess. I like where this is going. Next we're gonna contour. Okay, so for today's contour I'm gonna use like a fit that I haven't touched in ages. It's the A Beige contour palette in medium. Just comes like a bunch of shit. I don't use it that much. We're gonna go over this with like bronzer, my Rouge, just to like warm this area up basically. Okay, we're gonna come back to the eyes now. We're gonna go in with like the orange shade that we started off with. We're gonna go in with that same darker brown shade just at like the tip, just to so we're gonna do blush next. We should use some of this, right? Okay, now we're gonna set this face, and I'm gonna use the BH Cosmetics Spotlight highlighter in the shade Ethereal. It looks white, but it's like what do you call it? It shifts into a really pretty gold. I don't know if you can see that. It shifts into a really nice gold, so I think I'm gonna use that first and see. Today I just got them from Stix, like a 3-pack. They are quite stunning, but they look stiff. I don't know if this is what they look like, but I don't know how they're gonna look on me, and they are quite synthetic. They're not like my other ones. So I have my lashes on, and I don't know how I feel about them. Next we're gonna do lips, and this one's a bit wonky. I can feel it. We're just gonna move on. I don't have the time to fix it now. Now for lips, you can basically go whatever you want. If you want to do a bold lip, you can do red, you can do nude, I put on like a brown lipstickish lip liner, and then I topped it off with like orange eyeshadow on top just to make it more orangey, if that makes sense. So yeah, this is the finished look. I love the way it turned out. It just looks so summery and nice. It's just different. I don't wear orange lips that often, but I really like this. So leave a comment down below. Let me know if you guys would rock this, or if you actually like this look. I really love the way this turned out. It looks so gorgeous. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys. My hands are dirty.